Hello everyone, this is Jim Okersinski with this week's screencast video. So as I say here, as we move into the final weeks of the semester, I always mention the importance of finishing strong. Any semester, but especially this spring, we have challenges and distractions. So here is the week's screencast video. I'll present the schedule here. And the reason I've added 2 weeks was because of the length of the formal report. We really don't have much work left for the semester. We have, of course, Monday, end of day, is assignment number 6. The proposal assignment is due. Peer review should be happening this weekend. I understand something happened to the peer review groups form. I'm not sure if I either A, didn't post it in the groups, or B, I posted it there and it somehow disappeared, was brought to my attention. So I've uploaded that document to the proposal folder in our Drive account. All right, so that's there, and then we're going to move into the formal report. That'll be ultimately due Sunday, May 3rd. I will have a lecture video about the formal report in more detail, but I'd like to discuss some of the information today in this screencast video. So I'm hoping that everybody had the opportunity to look through the Chapter 11 unit number 8. Look at the resources here for research and some of the information there through the COD library. Over the course of time, I've also accumulated some other resources and links that you see here for both topics that are being discussed in the formal report. Over the course of the years, I've developed the fitness center criteria. I have several examples here of the formal report of the fitness center. And just to give you some background of what might be included in the formal report, whether it's background, benefits, risk, cost, design, and think about it. And remember, you need a minimum of 5 visuals in the formal report. That is just part of the assignment. Hence, the reasoning for the instructions assignment on how to insert and text wrap images, right? How to write those instructions and how to take care of that process, because it is going to be used somewhere down along the line. I mentioned that several weeks ago. So here is where it all comes together. So you have to look at the formal report as some sort of a summative assessment where it takes into consideration all the different aspects of the course so far, whether it's the team building activities on the basics, the assignments that we're able to scaffold into this particular assignment, from, like I said, inserting images, applying the idea of the proposal and now to the formal report. So I'll talk a little bit about the formal report. I list out all of the components that you will find in the chapter. The front matter, you're going to need a title page, a descriptive abstract, and a table of contents. The body, okay, the executive summary, your introduction, your text, headings, tables, and illustrations are all going to be in the middle section of your formal report, conclusions and recommendations, and you have to have a references page for all the source information you're going to use, just like an English department essay. If you're grabbing statistics, you're grabbing information from the sources that I have listed above, you need to cite those sources. Business World uses APA, so it is a references, and you have to do the 2-part citation, both in text and also in a references page. So I kind of give some guidelines on some of the length here, and I want to put this out there already that the way a formal report is constructed, okay, is usually from the inside out. You're going to collect your data, you're going to write about your data, you're going to address the issues that are important, start setting up your headings and your sections, and talk about all of the reasoning behind and evidence of the decision on the fitness center or the career paths. All right, and you're going to complete that portion of the inside first and have all your information. quite naturally, the reason why you have to have your information there is you cannot write an abstract if you don't have a report. You can't. A descriptive abstract is just a quick summary of your report, and if it's not written yet, how can you be sure that your summary matches the report? Also, what's really critical here is the executive summary is also a critical document, because usually it is what it is. Executives read it. They need to get a good summary of the overall report, because many of them won't want to take the time to read a whole report, so you need to tailor that to that particular audience. As you imagine, the formal report will have many audiences depending upon the depth of the report, okay, the scope of the report, how many different departments will be reading the report, but you can't write some of the particular genres. You can't even complete a table of contents until the middle part of your report is completed, so it matches your exact page numbers, right? That's a necessity for table of contents. I'm not asking you to bookmark anything from section to section. It's just, but it must be accurate for the different sections and headings, right? So remember, it's from the inside out, and I'll talk a little bit more about that. I get into the chapter PowerPoint. So you want to make sure that you look at the formal report here as we move into the week, some of the background on the fitness center, and once again, I've got many examples out here for the formal report, right? So let's see, what else do I have here? That might be about it for right now. I'll start breaking down in lecture videos about the formal report somewhere around midweek. Good luck on your proposal, and take a look at Chapter 11 on the formal report assignment. By the end of the week, quiz number 8 will be due. And once again, time is ticking, so you want to make sure you get these quizzes out of the way. All right, that's all I have for this screencast video. If anyone has any questions, you know where to find me. Good luck and stay safe.